Welcome back to another WinAirvideo. Today, we dive deep into one of the most talked about infrastructure projects in Southwestern Ontario, the Highway 3 Widening Project in Essex County. Whether you're a commuter, a local resident, or just passionate about Ontario's growth, this update is packed with the latest news, milestones, and controversies as of July 2025. Let's start with the basics. The Highway 3 Widening Project stretches 15.6 kilometers from 1.2 kilometers east of Essex Road 23, Arner Townline, to 1.1 kilometer east of Essex Road 34, Union Avenue. The goal? To expand the highway from 2 to 4 lanes, making travel safer and more efficient for nearly 17,300 vehicles that use this route daily. The key features include a 4-lane cross-section with 15-meter median, widening 5 intersections and adding traffic signals at 3 more. Realignment and removal of several local road intersections, major drainage and culvert improvements, resurfacing and reconstruction of existing lanes. As of this month, construction is in full swing and visible across the corridor. The final phase, which began in early 2024, is now well underway. Work completed last year included the stretch from Maidstone Avenue to Arner Townline. The remainder, from Essex to Leamington, is progressing with heavy equipment, detours, and road closures. Most notably, Essex County Road 27, which is closed from July 8th to August 21st for major intersection upgrades. Peak construction has brought over 60 workers on site, with most jobs filled by local residents, boosting the Essex County economy. Highway 3 has long been notorious for serious accidents. The expansion is expected to reduce collisions and fatalities by improving traffic flow and eliminating dangerous intersections. The corridor is vital for moving goods, especially for the region's greenhouse and agricultural industries. Improved connectivity supports local businesses and trade with the Windsor-Detroit border. It's a welcome upgrade for the local population too. Shorter commute times, better access to services, and long-term infrastructure resilience. No major project is without its critics. Here's what's making headlines and stirring debate in 2025. Residents and businesses along the road have voiced frustration over extended closures, especially during peak summer months. Some local businesses report drops in customer traffic due to detours. The permanent closure and realignment of several side roads have sparked concerns about emergency response times and local access for farmers and residents. Some community members worry about the project's effect on local wetlands and wildlife, despite assurances of environmental protection measures during site preparation. While the project remains generally on schedule, weather and supply chain issues have caused minor setbacks. There's ongoing skepticism about whether the final completion will be met with the projected timeline. The Highway 3 expansion has been a political football for over a decade. Local politicians, including mayors and MPPs, have long advocated for the widening, citing safety and economic necessity. Previous delays and funding uncertainties fueled public frustration, but the awarding of the $138 million contract to GIP Paving Inc. in 2023 finally set the wheels in motion. Looking ahead, the project is set for substantial completion by late 2025. With final touches and landscaping into early 2026. Expect ongoing lane closures, new traffic patterns, and continued updates from the Ministry of Transportation and Infrastructure Ontario. The Highway 3 Widening Project is transforming Essex County's transportation landscape. While challenges remain, the benefits for safety, economic growth, and community connectivity are clearly a winner. Like and subscribe. This is Bob Jones, and I will see you in the next video.